Hey everybody, it's Mark Saunders, and I wanted to make this quick October video for our newsletter and just general information as a whole. October already, where is this year going? This year has flown by, but we're already to October. So in this video, I want to give you 3 quick, easy tips for home maintenance around your house. October is a very important maintenance month at your house. There's always some good things to keep in mind to do. So I want to give you 3 quick tips. Number 1, clean your gutters. I see so many problems at rental houses and other houses that we look at selling that have issues just because the gutters were not clean. Rotten fascia boards, water getting in the crawl space. So especially once the leaves have fallen, clean your gutters. Number 2, it kind of has to do with gutters as well, is after you've cleaned them, make sure the water is draining away from your house. This sounds very obvious, but I see so many times that the downspout has actually come off the gutter or the water is just not draining properly. So walk around the house, especially when it's raining, get an umbrella, walk around your house, make sure the water is draining out properly from your house. And number 3, and this is something that I wish personally I would have taken a little more interest in a couple years ago at my house, check your driveway for cracks. If you have cracks in your driveway or the concrete or asphalt starting to crack, fill it in, caulk it in. There's some putty you can basically put in it to seal it up. Because what happens, especially in colder months, water comes in, it rains, then it freezes overnight, and that's like a wedge that really will break that apart, make your crack even worse, and eventually over time you'll have to be repaving your driveway. And next Saturday, I actually got it planned at my house to be filling in cracks in my driveway. So check those 3 tips out. Clean your gutters, make sure the water is running away from your house, and then check your driveway. Also check your foundation for any cracks. Be sure to caulk them in, fill them in, to keep it from to continue to break apart and deteriorate. So let me know what you think. If you have any comments, if you're viewing this on our YouTube or Facebook page, leave your comments below. Let me know about any other fall maintenance that you do. One bonus tip, check your smoke detectors. If they're older than 10 years, go ahead and replace them. The life expectancy of a smoke detector is 10 years. Hope you have a great October, have a great Halloween, and give the kids some candy.